Come on. Got the key. Let's connect the battery. So if I keep it connected, the car will go probably dead in 3 days. I think the car has a draw on it, but I know the battery drains when it's left connected, but usually stays charged when it's disconnected. But so I'm just gonna start disconnecting it, but just leave the battery in here since it still kind of starts the car. I got the fan running still. Start it up. Took the interior light bulbs back out of it since they're nice and bright. And since all the trucks take that. So I got juice. Oh boy. We'll let that stop going nuts. Come on. We out of gas? I think it's out of gas. I bet the car ran out of gas. Didn't run out when I parked it yesterday. We gave it a couple more tries. Put the seatbelt on. Key on. I don't think I heard the fuel pump. It's probably just out of gas because the gauge is on empty. Nope. I don't hear it. I bet it's just out of gas. Oh well, it fired a couple times. Since I don't hear it, I'm not going to try it again, but we'll give it one more time. Nope, it's not going to start. Well, this battery's doing good now. I think we're just out of gas, because it did just fine yesterday. And it was running rough, but I started up a couple more times, and I don't doubt it. It is pretty dang rusty, so I'm not surprised. Well, as you can see, it's running now. This is actually a couple hours after I tried starting it. Well, I was going to bring the van over here, but I seen it was sinking good, and I didn't want it to get stuck, so I just backed it up. So I decided to hook the battery up. Freaking thing fired right up. And I don't know. It just didn't want to start before. It just fired right up. I think it's just because the battery is so weak in it. It doesn't really crank fast enough. But it's running now. But still about out of gas. It's running good now.